Good morning. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on what to do when you first get your email, giving you access to the Google Cloud platform, learning materials through Coursera. As a quick reminder, this is a pilot program. Google is going to release this in the fall, and they've asked us at Hocking College just to do a practice run of it. So so anticipate some bumps in the road, and that's the kind of the purpose of a pilot program. And so by joining, you agree to the Google Cloud grades and other activity in its learning program. So you click join. And the one we are going to go to is this one down here under individual courses, Google Cloud Platform. Through here, you're more than welcome to look at the notes on the instructions. So we are going to, this is about the course. It talks about how we'll be utilizing Quick Labs and what to expect for week 1. Now, we're going to go ahead and hit enroll. And then we're going to click go to course. So this is your course through week 1. Now, I have been saying about 4 to 5 hours a week expected time commitment. That depends upon the learner and their learning styles, individual learning styles. It does say almost 9 hours here for the videos and whatnot. The videos, I think they're very well done, and they're short enough time where you don't, lose your attention. So I think that it's going to help a lot. And we'll go over week 1. Okay. They said not to worry about the deadline so much right here. And that kind of depends on when you get started on it. And I'll do another video to focus on the individual reading in the videos here. But I just want to give you a quick video just how to get set up and get started and access the resources. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.